Cement is one of the most important construction materials in the world. It is used to build houses, bridges, roads, dams, and large buildings. The manufacturing of cement is a continuous industrial process that involves several carefully controlled steps. Now let us understand the complete step-by-step process of how cement is made in a cement factory. The first step in cement manufacturing is the collection of raw materials. The main raw material used in cement production is limestone. Limestone contains calcium carbonate, which is essential for making cement. Along with limestone, other materials such as clay, sand, and iron ore are also used. These materials provide silica, alumina, and iron, which help in forming the correct chemical composition of cement. After collecting the raw materials, the next step is mining and crushing. Limestone is extracted from large quarries through drilling and blasting. The large rocks obtained from mining are transported to the cement factory. Inside the factory, these large stones are crushed into smaller pieces with the help of heavy crushers. Crushing makes the materials easier to process in the next stages. Once crushing is completed, the crushed materials are sent to the raw mill for grinding. In this stage, limestone and other materials are ground into a very fine powder. This fine powder is called raw meal. During grinding, the chemical composition is carefully controlled to maintain proper proportions. The quality of cement depends greatly on this stage. After grinding, the raw meal is sent to a preheater tower and then into a large rotating furnace known as a rotary kiln. The kiln is one of the most important parts of the cement plant. Inside the kiln, the temperature rises up to about 1400 to 1500 degrees Celsius. At this high temperature, chemical reactions take place. The limestone releases carbon dioxide in a process called calcination. As the material moves slowly inside the rotating kiln, it forms small hard balls known as clinker. When the clinker comes out of the kiln, it is extremely hot. Therefore, the next step is cooling. The hot clinker is passed through coolers where cold air is blown over it. Rapid cooling helps in improving the strength and quality of the cement. After cooling, the clinker becomes stable and ready for the final grinding process. In the next stage, the cooled clinker is mixed with a small amount of gypsum. Gypsum is added to control the setting time of cement. Without gypsum, cement would set very quickly and become difficult to use. The clinker and gypsum are ground together in a cement mill to produce a very fine gray powder. This fine powder is the final product known as cement. Finally, the finished cement is stored in large storage silos. From there, it is packed into bags or loaded in bulk into trucks and railway wagons. The cement is then transported to markets and construction sites where it is used for building structures. In conclusion, cement manufacturing is a complex process that involves mining, crushing, grinding, heating, cooling, and packaging. Each step plays an important role in producing high-quality cement. Without this carefully managed industrial process, modern construction would not be possible.